Hey guys, Machines and Mel here. Just want to show you this motorcycle I got. This Kawasaki. This is a ZX6. So it's a 600cc, 4-cylinder, 4-stroke, liquid-cooled motorcycle. It's in pretty nice shape. I bought this a couple of years ago from a buddy of mine. At the time, I didn't like the bike too much. I kind of bought it to flip it, but I've fallen in love with it. It is a blast to ride. It's reliable. The kilometers on it aren't atrocious. I think it's got just under 27,000 kilometers. And I've had it for a couple of summers now, and this is my go-to ride for commuting to work. This thing's just great. It's smooth, it's forgiving, it stops good, and it's never let me down. I didn't like this lime green color scheme that's going on, so last summer I painted this black area here. This used to be lime green, so I kind of sanded and scuffed it up and did a little spray bomb job as well. At the back here, this black area here used to be lime green as well, or purple. Lime green, sorry, the bar was purple. You can see a little bit of it there where it's rubbed through. But that was lime green as well, and I didn't like it, so I sanded and painted it. And this year I'm gonna finish doing the rear wheel. I'm gonna get rid of that purple, and I'm gonna get rid of the green fender and the green front wheel on this thing. There's some green under the tank covered by the tank cover, but you don't really see that, so I'm not too worried about it. But anyway, so this sat all winter, and what happened was one of the carb bowls leaked, the needle leaked, and it filled the cylinder with gas, and it's hydrolocked right now. Otherwise I'd be riding it. So I'm going to do a couple of YouTube videos taking this thing apart, pulling the gas tank off, pulling the carbs out, cleaning them in the ultrasonic carb cleaner, perhaps getting needle and seat kits for it. Just do a little freshen up. We'll do some service, things like that, make a few videos for you guys to watch. But yeah, that's I believe it's a 1993 or a 1994 Kawasaki ZX6. I believe it was called the Ninja, and it's kind of a sport touring 600cc bike. Thanks for watching.